Perfect, fluffy Basmati rice. We all have our preferences, from boobs, butts, blondes, brunettes, to pasta and rice. Regarding rice, mine's Basmati. There's a reason they call it the Prince of Rice. 1 cup will give 4 servings. Rinse the rice in cold water and then drain. Add cold water to the rice at a ratio of 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. Add salt to taste, but don't add too much. You can always add a little more later. Put the stove onto high heat. Pop on the pot, give it a stir, cover the pot, and bring to boil. Stir the rice, cover the pot, and simmer for 20 minutes. The rice is done. Gently toss or fork the rice, and it's ready to serve. Put a few spoonfuls on a plate, and top with your favourite curry. This is a chicken curry that I made earlier, using an authentic Indian recipe. That's fantastic. Give it a go. You're gonna love it.